Two iconic airlines, one showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, American Airlines, known for its expansive domestic network and AAdvantage loyalty program. And on the right, United Airlines, with unmatched global reach and international perks. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's our travel battle roadmap. We're going to compare route network, loyalty programs, international experience, fees and extras, on-time performance, fleet and innovation, and, of course, customer experience. Kind of like a mind map, but, way more fun than doodling in a notebook. Let's start with the first, and honestly, maybe the most important thing. Route network. Okay, American Airlines flexes with the largest domestic coverage in the U.S. We're talking 350 destinations. And, if you're bouncing around the States, AA pops up everywhere. But wait, United has a massive international network, hitting up over 360 destinations in 75-plus countries. If you're looking to rack up stamps on your passport, United takes you further by miles. So, AA totally wins for U.S. coverage, but United, and here's something cool, actually gets the global gold. Overall, I gotta call it a tie. Both bring serious stomping grounds. Next up, loyalty program. This is like where the frequent flyers get serious. American's AAdvantage program? People love it. Those miles are worth the most among U.S. airlines. Earning loyalty points is actually pretty painless. In the award chart, flexible. Downside, climbing up to elite level can get, expensive. Now, United's MileagePlus taps into Star Alliance, so you get tons of partners and super solid premier status perks. It's everywhere, but the sad truth, MileagePlus miles are kind of worth less and, no published award chart, so you can never really plan on what's a sweet deal. Winner here? American takes it, hands down. International experience. Okay, American Airlines brings the luxury with flagship first and nice meal service on those long-haul hops. But the downside? Their global network just isn't as far-reaching as United's. Switch to United, and it's a whole different ballgame. Cheaper fares for hopping continents and way more far-out destinations. Their premium and business offerings are surprisingly robust, though the standard seats, not as plush as AA's top offerings. So, if traveling abroad is your vibe, United clearly wins this round. Quick fact break. Did you know United Airlines' international network covers more available seat miles than any other U.S. airline? That's how they reach places like Africa, Australia, deep into Europe. Seriously, their global reach is wild. Now, fees and extras. Oh boy, this is where everything gets, annoyingly real. American gives free drinks and snacks, which is solid, and you do get Wi-Fi, but usually with ads and for about $10. Not exactly the steal you're hoping for. And yeah, checked bags add up. On the flip, United's Wi-Fi is usually cheaper for members, around $8, and their extras are just a bit lighter overall. The pet fee is high, as in $150. So, if you bring your furry friend, ouch. Baggage fees? They're pretty much neck and neck with AA, but United still edges out. So, United wins for budgeting just a little easier. All right, how about showing up on time? Spoiler, United kind of rocks this. American's not bad, ranking 5th in the DOT report last year at 85.2% on time. But United pulls up in second place with 87.7%. That's actually a pretty big deal if you're always running to catch connections. Sure, United's mega busy airports get the occasional hiccup, but overall, United's reliability is just next level. United's the winner for punctuality. Let's nerd out over fleet and innovation. American's got a huge, diverse lineup, and their cabins are getting cooler. Slowly. But they kinda lag behind United when it comes to international and wide-body jets. United's got the biggest wide-body fleet in the US, and they're pretty aggressive rolling out new tech and premium upgrades. Sure, their Airbus lineup isn't as big as AA's, but honestly, unless you care about the model number, United's shaking things up way more. This round, United nabs it. Last one, customer experience. American's domestic comfort is pretty good, and they're rolling out new flagship suites. But if you look at overall travel experience rankings for 2025, AA sits at 5th. Decent, but not amazing. United? They're up at number 3, and keep improving reliability and premium perks. Cabins could be fresher, but hey, Who doesn't love a little progress? Again, United wins this one. Now, if you're a visual nut like me, imagine a radar chart with United spiking up in almost every category except loyalty program, where American flexes. Between route network, tech, and reliability, United's got strong lines everywhere. American's big on U.S. routes and loyalty, but the other stuff? United just keeps pushing boundaries. So here's the deal. If you're all about flying within the U.S. and want those top-valued reward miles, American Airlines is the way to go. But if your passport's itching for more stamps and you want reliable, global, and generally better all-around experience, especially in 2025, United Airlines is the clear winner. For most travelers, United just delivers more, further, and smoother. Hey, want to hack your next trip for cheaper flights and way less stress? Hit subscribe and get all my travel tips, airline secrets, and updates straight from the experts. Don't miss out on smarter